Hi everyone, my name is Laura Milligan and I am here to do my weekly Facebook Live. It is Monday and I normally go live at 1 o'clock on Mondays, and so here I am. I'm coming to you from my studio that I call the B Spot in Canton, Ohio. So if you're there, give me a shout out. Thank you so much for watching today, tuning in. If you're watching on replay, say hello as well. Let me know where you are, what you're stamping today, or what your latest project was you've been working on. I love to hear and read every one of your comments. And we have a big day today. Stampin' Up! Just announced, I believe it was Friday last week, that we would be having a stamp sale starting today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So that is I'm going to look at my calendar. Oops. I should know the date, but I'm going to double check. The 7th, 8th, and 9th. 7th, 8th, and 9th. Sorry about that close-up of my face there. There's Colleen. Hi, Colleen. Hi, Ann. Thank you for joining me today. Anyway, so the sale is today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. It's 15% off any and all stamp sets in our annual catalog. And so I'm going to go ahead and change my camera view down. Okay, I'm going to put you there. And 3-day stamp sale, October 7th to 9th. I should have done this from the beginning because the dates are right there. 15% off all stamp sets from the annual catalog. So what I thought I would do today is I got up this morning and pulled out a handful of stamp sets that are some of my favorites from the annual catalog that are on sale. And I have card samples for most of them. I don't have samples for all of them, but I kind of went through my stash and pulled out some things that I could find. And I thought that would be a way to maybe showcase some of the things that are on sale. Hi, Susie. How are you? Halloween treat bags for my nephew and niece. Oh my gosh, to hand out to the class. I bet they're the cutest. Susie, I'm sure they're going to be the cutest thing that anybody else in the classroom has. That's awesome. So let me just show you. Like I said, I pulled out a handful of stamps that are on sale, 15% off. And if you place an order anytime with me, this is my monthly host code. You can go to lauramilligan.com and click on Shop Now, and that will take you to my store. And if you use this host code, if your order is $50 or more, I will send you a hand stamp thank you card, and also a pack of gems as a thank you for placing an order with me, because I'm so appreciative of that. There's Debbie. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Mary Jo. So I'm just going to go through a lot of these cards you have seen before because I have made them on my Facebook Lives. Not all of them, but some of them, or used them for a class or something. But I'm going to start with this set. It is called Under the Moon. It's 15% off this week. And here is a card that was made with this. It's Birthday Wishes. And this is one of those it's not really distinctive, but I call it that because this image here, look at how it stamps that beautiful sunset. I think that is such a cool image. And then of course the water, there's a boat, you can do dolphins swimming, there's clouds, there's the water, and then just some different views. Like that's probably a night sky. This is, to me, it's like the sun setting. But that is one really cute, fun. If you're a beach lover like me, the dolphins are something that I love and something that I enjoy stamping too. Anything with the beach, right? Okay, this set, a lot of the things that I'm showing you are word sets, and I think you can never have enough words. And this one is called Unbounded Love. And this is a card that I made with Unbounded Love. I did use some dies that coordinate, but the words on this one are so pretty. And you know what I'm trying to, have a blessed day. It's right there. I thought for a minute there I'd pulled out the wrong stamp set, but I didn't. So have a blessed day. But there's celebrate, hello, you are loved, you're a true blessing. Faith is being sure of what we cannot see. I love that. Hope is believing in tomorrow. There's just some great sentiments. May all your wishes come true. My heart goes out to you, just for you. This is a great stamp set, 15% off today. And so here's a sample of a card. This is one, and there's the You Are Loved on the inside. That's kind of a fun fold there. Okay, that's Unbounded Love. This one, Simply Said, another word set, but this kind of covers a lot of different occasions. Let's celebrate, thinking of you, happy birthday, thanks, birthday wishes, yay, thank you, miss you, hello, and just a note. This was a swap that I received and from my friend Angie, and she used the birthday wishes with this gorgeous paper. I think that's a beautiful card. I love the pop of Petunia Pop on that, but you can never have enough word sets, right? So this is also 15% off this week, or through Wednesday. This one, Poised Peony, I love this stamp set, and it coordinates with the Frames and Flowers designer paper that we had. I've used that on several different events. Love that paper, but this coordinates with that. And here's an example of a card that I made. I just stamped this smaller floral image there, and then I added the words. I love the font of these words. This is a great, again, another really great set. I love the big peony, of course. I just love peonies. They're gorgeous, but this is a great set. And of course, there's a little flower you could always stamp on the envelope, corner of your envelope, or on the inside of the card. This would fit on the inside corner of the card. So that's called Poised Peony. So the stamp sets that are on sale they're only the ones that are in the annual catalog. This will probably be like my shortest Facebook Live ever, but I just thought this would be good to hop on and share some of these, because I know for me it's always better when you see them on a project. This one I had done, it's called Happiest Day. I had done for a Facebook Live. It's been a while ago. Love these images, the dragonflies, the sunshine. I love the words that come with this. I love this one, you make me feel like glitter in the sun. I love that phrase. Wishing you the happiest birthday, you're the best. Thinking of you today and every day. Love that one too. So I did this for a Facebook Live, and I had made several cards with this, and here's one of them. Wishing you the happiest birthday. And I love that this fits on the Spotlight on Nature dies. I love those dies, are amazing. This one I had done with designer paper and then the in color glimmer paper. And I used the sentiment, you make me feel like glitter in the sun. And I remember when I made this card, because of this word glitter here, I thought it would be fun to use some glittery paper. It just seemed kind of to go together. These cards all feature our newest in colors, our 2024, 2026 in colors. And then this was the third one that I did, and it's the thinking of you each and every day. And I just stamped the dragonfly and added some pretty paper and some dies. This one, I'm going to pull this one back up here again. This one I did fussy cut. There are not dies that go with this, so I just fussy cut that. It's really not that hard to do. So that is Happiest Day, 15% off today through Wednesday. Yes, Debbie says, I love having lots of different word sets. You can never have enough, and sometimes you may need a big happy birthday. Sometimes you may need a little happy birthday. So it's fun to kind of use different ones. All right, this is Market Goodness. I love this set. It is perfect for summer stamping. You could probably carry it into fall, early fall as we harvest vegetables and that sort of thing. But it's just a super fun set. And these are some cards that I made with this. This one is probably my favorite, and I just stamped. I got out a couple different ink colors and stamped the lettuce, the carrots, the tomatoes, the red beets on the background here, and then just added a word panel. That's from Nested Essentials. Excuse me. And there's that. Thanks a bunch. There's that word. But this is super cute. This one I didn't even use any designer paper on. I just let the stamp set kind of do the work. This one has some designer paper that coordinates with this. And then this one, same thing. Here's the Bursting with Happiness. And this is die cut from the designer paper. So you may want to get that as well if you're getting this stamp set. It coordinates beautifully with this. It's so, so cute. So those are a couple cards with the Market Goodness stamp set. That's kind of a favorite of mine. And then this last one, this is a great stamp set and one that I have kind of overlooked. We're actually using this in bingo this month. So if you have never played bingo with us, this is a stamp set we're featuring. It's an add-on option. With bingo, you get a whole pack of designer paper, you get some gems this month, and then you're also going to get, so here's the gems that you're getting, and the paper is this gorgeous, let me pull it in, I just have to have it sitting right here. I have it all rubber banded together, but it's the Splendid Autumn. I have like 3 packs here, but this is one of those beautiful scenery papers. Pull this out and you can see like this. It's gorgeous. There's daisies. It's gorgeous, gorgeous paper. And we're going to be using that. So you get a full pack of that. You get a pack of these gems. And then we're using these really cool mesh leaves. They're going to get a whole pack of those. These are so cool. These are something new. Woven golden leaves. I'm sorry, I said the wrong name, but these are really cool. And so I wanted to show you that registration is still open. It ends, I believe, on the 14th. But this is one of the cards that we're going to be making during bingo. You can see this is one of those papers where you let the paper do the work and you just add a word greeting. So you can see I've tied this with baker's twine, and then here are my leaves. You can color these. I've seen the edges embossed with gold embossing powder, which is really cool, but I love this. Just saying thank you doesn't seem like enough. Hope you know how much your kindness is appreciated. I think that's a beautiful card. You can see the gems there. This is a great word set. I love this part too. Thinking of you today, and the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that, and so on. I think that's a perfect stamp set perfect stamps for the outside of your card and then the inside of the card. This is also a beautiful sentiment. May you find peace in the days to come and in the loving thoughts that surround you now. Wishing you comfort is beautiful. That could be on the outside. This could be on the inside of your card. You are the sunshine that brightens so many of my days. Like I said, I kind of overlooked this stamp set, but it's quickly becoming a favorite of mine. And so here's the card again. So if you want to play bingo with us, we're going to make this card along with 3 other super, super cute, very beautiful cards. So that's that one. It's called Hope You Know, 15% off between now and Wednesday. And then I pulled out 2 other stamp sets and I could not find samples with them, but these are 2 more great word sets. These are both sets made by Million Dollar Achievers. This is a great one, layering leaves. It does coordinate with the bow punch that we have. I've used this one a ton. Love these words. And then this is another one called So Sincere. This has also some great sentiments and the different fonts. I love this one going down the long ways like that, vertically. Knowing you brings joy to my heart. Love that. Just love spending time with you. Your kindness is so appreciative. So thankful for you. Great word set. Great word set. Don't miss these. I hope that you have kind of leafed through your catalog today and maybe have a short wish list going. Kathy, when is bingo this month? It is the last Tuesday of the month. So that would be Tuesday night, October 29th. We make gorgeous cards and we play. We have so much fun. The prizes always involve, of course, Stampin' Up! Products, and people seem to really love it. It's a lot of fun. I'd love to have you all watch, and I'd love to have you join in. Oh, good. Lucy says she just signed up. Great. So she's going to be playing bingo with us. I think there's other people on here that have played bingo many times. I know Debbie's on here. She's playing bingo. My sister always plays every month. My sister-in-law plays a lot of the time. We have a really good group. So anyway, these are 2 more sets. And so that's a quick look at some of my favorites that I just kind of pulled out quickly. Let me go back to, whoops. There I am. Okay. But anyway, it's a great sale, 15% off. It's always great when you can save a little bit of money on your stamp sets. So get your catalog out, leaf through, look for these sets. I know I sent out my weekend inspiration last night, and I had featured some cards that are from stamp sets that are on sale as well. I'm pretty sure I did one that used the Under the Moon stamp set, and it had dolphins on it. It was really cute. So go look at those. Hopefully you're all on my email list, and I'm always so grateful for your orders and for the support you give me in my business. So thank you so much for that. Thank you all for joining me today, and I will not be here next week. I'm going to be gone. On Monday I won't be home, and so I will not be going live. I may go live on Wednesday. I'm not gonna promise that. I got to see how things go when I get back. But thank you all so much for joining me today. Reach out if you have any questions. We also have a great starter kit special going on now. I'd be happy to talk to you about that. I love talking to you about anything. So just please reach out with any questions, anything I can help you with. Thank you so much for joining me, and as always, I hope you have time to be creative today. Thank you so much, my friends. Make it a good day.